Right. Okay, very good evening to one and all. Today we are discussing the arithmetic part. In that, we are discussing the Roman system, number system. In previous class, we have discussed international number system and national number system, and how these two number systems will work out. Okay, so today we will going to discuss regarding the Roman number system. Okay, so how the Roman number system will be and how we are going to uh, learn and we are going to implement this number system. So today we will see. So you can see in Roman number system, the Roman number system is completely different from the both international and Indian number system. The Roman number system is completely different from the international and Indian number system. ఏదైతే మనం ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఉందో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ నంబర్ సిస్టమ్ కి ఇండియన్ నంబర్ సిస్టమ్ కి కంప్లీట్ గా అది డిఫరెంట్ అన్నమాట. దిస్ ఈస్ ఏ డిఫరెంట్, కంప్లీట్లీ డిఫరెంట్. ఓకే, నౌ here మనము ఇండియన్ నంబర్ సిస్టమ్ లో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ నంబర్ సిస్టమ్ లో వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ నంబర్స్. వాట్ నంబర్స్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్? 0, 1 up to 9 numbers we are using. But in Roman number system we are not using these numbers. Okay, in Roman number system we are not using such numbers. Okay, so we are using the numbers from these numbers only we are using. What numbers? English alphabet numbers, English alphabets we are using. What are the English alphabets we are using? I, V, X, L, C, D and M. So these are the alphabets we are using. Very important, Nana. In Roman number system we will not use any numbers. Instead of using numbers we are using alphabets. English capital alphabets, not small alphabets. They are the capital alphabets. Okay, so I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay, so now you can see what are the values. Here each and every English alphabet have some value. ప్రతి ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్ కి ఒక వాల్యూ అనేది ఉందన్నమాట. దేర్ ఇస్ ఏ వాల్యూ ఫర్ దిస్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్. ఓకే, so what are the value? Listen carefully, all of you very carefully listen, Nana. Here you can see I means 1. Here I means 1. So there are another notation. This is a value, this is a letter, and this is a value, and this is a bar notation. So we can also write some bar. So here bar in the sense, we are writing bar in the sense it indicates 1000. So bar indicates the 1000. So it is 1000. Right, the bar will indicates the 1000. Very important, the bar, only the bar. So it can be write down as a bar or you can also write down as a mod. So you can write like this, two mods or two lines you can also use, or you can also use one line in the upper side. You can also use two lines from left side one and right side one. Okay, and we can also use up top at the top, అంటే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు లేదా టాప్ సైడ్ కూడా మనం యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. వీ కెన్ యూజ్ బోత్ వేస్. సో దిస్ బార్ notation in the sense, one bar notation is nothing but 1000. Keep in mind it is a 1000. So the bar notation I am giving here, you can say see here, I is nothing but 1, the value is 1. So V is nothing but 5, the value of V is 5. Now X, the value of X is 10. The value of X is 10. Now L, the value of L is 50. So now C, the value of C is 100. Now D, the value of D is 500. Now M, the value of M is 1000. Here very important. The value of M is 1000. Right. Now, so V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. But sir, you are saying bar is 1000. What does it mean actually? You can come to here notation. So we can say, we are writing, you can write both way. You can write V This is 2 lines you can mention here, or you can also write, like this, or you can also write like bar. సో అంటే పైన మీరు లైన్ పెట్టొచ్చు, లేదా లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ ఒక లైన్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఏది రాసినా ఓకే, సేమ్ మీనింగ్, సేమ్ వాల్యూ, దే బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. Now what does it mean? I said bar is 1000, so nothing but v. So you can say v is what? V is a 5 we have. You can say v is a 5. So now we are putting some bar. We are putting some bar means, so into 1000, into 1000, that is 5000. The total value is 5000. This is very important. There is a one bar I am putting, that's why into 1000. So 5 into 1000, it is a what? 5000. Right? Now come to x bar. Now come to x bar. So in x bar, x is nothing but 10. So 10 into, again one bar we are upper side, that's why 10 into 1000, 10,000. It is a 10,000. Okay, now come to the L. So L bar, L is nothing but 50, bar is 1000, we know already, 50,000. Now C bar, we are saying C bar. C bar in the sense is 100, 100,000. So 100,000 in the sense, we are saying that uh, it is a 1 lakh. We are saying that it is a 1 lakh. Now come to the point here, the D bar. So this is the 500,000. So of course in Hindu system, 500,000 is nothing but 5 lakh. It is a 5 lakh. So M bar is, it's a 10 lakh. It's a 10 lakh. So this is the way a bar notation will taken up. So this is very important. They will ask you in the questions based on this one. Okay, so they will give you some Roman number. They will give you some Roman number and they'll say that and tell us. Then how to write a 6? Very important. How to write? They will ask like this way. It's very important. Okay, they will ask how, Now in international number system 2. Now can you write or can you convert into Roman number? How can you write 2? You have to put I, one I, and you have to put another I. So double I you have to put, this is the 2. Now how can you write 3? So it's very important. So you have to take how many lines here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the way we can write. Very good. So 3 I's we are writing. Now how can you write 4? So it's very important. Whenever you write the 4, so keep in mind, whenever you write the 4, so most of people are saying that, yes, most of people are saying that 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So 4 lines is nothing but 4. No, it is not right. It is wrong. You should not do 4 lines. You have to use one line of it and 5. So this is nothing but 4 here. So you have to write the 4 like this. You have to write the 4 like this. Okay. So how we are writing all this one before, because the 5 is very nearest to the 4. That's why we are writing one element here 1, and again we are writing 5. So of course it is very nearest element. That's why it is the 4. It is very nearest to 5. Of course this one will be the 5. So we are putting 1 to the left side. It will give some kind of negation and it will brings the 4. Okay, so this is the way we can use the Roman numbers and we can work with the Roman numbers. So maximum the question will be asked based on the type and based on the conversions. Okay, you have to convert the things. Okay, for 6, how you know already how we write the 6? The 6 can be write like this. This is 6. How can you write the 7? So you have to put the 7 like this. So you have to, V is a 5 and this is the 5 and this is the 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So we are writing 7 like this. Okay, how can you write 8? You have to write the 5 first and you have to write the 3 lines here and this is a 8. And how can you write the 9? Again, it's very important. How can you write the 9? So we have to write the 9 like this. It is 9, IX. It is 9. Again, no, you already y. So x is 10. So the 9 is so the 9 is very nearest to the 10. So that's why for the nearest we are writing like this. So ix, it is 9. Okay, so hope you understand this part, the bar concept and the value of these concepts. Of course, these rest of the topics will be covered in the coming chapters. In coming days లో మనం chapters లో మనం rest of topics వీటితో ఎలా work చేయాలి, how we can work out with all these one, we will discuss. So do you have any doubts, Nana? Do you have any doubts regarding here? Do you have any doubts? No. So I think you don't have any doubts. I think